how to buy TikTok America token. So this token came under the symbol of TA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 200% in less than 4 hours. And this token, as you can see, is trending number 4 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now to be able to buy this token, or how to buy this token, is by clicking here to copy the token address. Now open your front wallet for that. As you can see, I will just go to my wallet first, as you can see here. So click on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So click on your token and now click I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. To select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select the Jupiter, click on apply, now go back and click here on stop, and you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy TA token. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.